The type of an organization that we would like to develop is the fashion business. We named our company as DahliaScarf Enterprise. We decided to develop this company is to solve the women's problem as they want to be fashionable for class, work and other occasions. Our form of business is partnership as we are owned by more than 2%. This business was our first time to get into the business and also to gain our experience. For our mission of the company, we aim to become well known in Muslimas hijab fashions among women as well as to develop more style and to bring Muslimah fashion hijab business to a higher level. Furthermore, our vision is to influence the world through our brand to keep up with fashion trends, changes in the market, and innovation with the newest technology of the fabric of our hijab. To build an established business, we must have our main objective. Our main objective is to expand our products, which is having various styles of designs that suitable for any occasion so that our customer will stay loyal and updated with our company within a year. DahliaScarf Enterprise also wants to increase customer satisfaction by upgrading and improving our online shopping experience and also our physical store. Next, I will pass to our next member to present our organizational chart.
Assalamualaikum and greeting. My name is Natasha Akmal Nabila and my matric number is 302041. And today I want to talk about the organization chart. Based on our company, the organization we have the owner, marketing manager, operation, finance manager, and others. In addition, the organization show the flows of information to relate of our company. Also, the organization help in a communication and help employees to quickly recognize about important things on the company. The organization also useful to others in the company to find important decision to spinning up approval produce or procedures, and also can make a choice to consistent with overall objective and the plan of the business. Thank you.
Thank you, Natasha. Hello everyone, my name is Baldani Prakash and my matric number is 297531. So now I'm going to talk about our company planning, which is the first one is our company's goal, and which is like achieving high quality standard for our products and ensuring customer satisfaction and loyalty. By achieving high quality standards, we can attract and retain our customer from differentiate our company from competitors and build loyalty on customer base. Next one is planning can be divided to 3 management levels, which is strategical planning, tactical planning and operational planning. For strategic planning, DahliaScarf always ensure to maintain a strong position in the market to attract customers. Next one is tactical planning. We promote our product through e-commerce platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook to reach our customer base, and also offer promotion discounts during festival days or any special occasions. Third one is operational plan. For example, DahliaScarf always provides excellent customer service and ensure timely order fulfillment. We also track our expenses revenues to constantly monitor our financial performance and control costs. Next one is strategic positioning. Strategic positioning can differentiate our company products from the market and also emphasize the unique value it provides to customer. For example, DahliaScarf is providing a woman thing which is shawl and bawal. So we are focused on the women surrounding us, which is in Sintaku. By focusing on female customers, our company has become a popular brand among the women. Moreover, DahliaScarf positioned ourselves in the interplay of affordability and traditional. We highlight our commitment to equality by handcrafting each product using the finest materials and also honoring the traditional with design by current trend. Now I'm going to present about DahliaScarf's SWOT analysis. For strength, we are providing unique and fashionable shawl and bawas design, and also by using high quality materials. And other than that, we have a strong online presence in e-commerce platform. And the last one is we have a good reputation among women who are in Sintao. So our company weakness is, the first one is we have a limited budgets for large scale marketing and advertising campaigns compared to large competitors. And also we have the production capacity limited, and it could affect the ability to meet high demand during the peak seasons. So third one is opportunities. So we have an advantage to grow ourselves in the e-commerce department and online shopping trends to increase our sales. And also we want to collaborate with fashion designer and influencer to have our own collection of exclusive of our products, and also increase our brand awareness. And last one is we want to expand our business into new geographic markets. Last one is trades. For our company, we have high competition between other shawl business companies, and also some fashion retailers also offering the similar products. And also we face rapid changes in fashion trends that may impact the demand for a specific shawl design. So that's all from me. Now my friend will continue our presentation. Thank you.
Organizing is the process of setting up working relationships so that members of the organization communicate and collaborate to accomplish shared objective. The objective of organizing is to help to achieve organizational goal, to perform managerial function and facilitate growth and diversification. The owner, the manager of marketing, the manager of operations, the manager of finance, and the staff make up the organizational chart of this business, which may grow in the future. For efficient administration, communication, decision making, and resource allocation inside the organization, the chart is an essential tool. The company wants to maintain its leads in hijab fashion trends, utilizing the latest technology in hijab materials, increase client happiness via improved shopping experience, which is online and offline channels, and expand its selection of products. All things considered, DahliaScarf hopes to succeed in the hijab fashion sector by encouraging creativity, devoted customer, and efficient organizational administration.
Hello everyone, I am Lingeshwari Murali. My metric number is 297,499. Today I am going to explain the third management function, which is leading. Leading is the most important part that every companies or businesses must apply in their organizations. Apart from that, our business, which is DahliaScarf, also apply leading as a part of our management functions. So, without leading or lead employees, the company doesn't not achieve their goals. A leader process includes direction, motivation, communication, and also coordination. So, let me check in with 3 important leadership theory that we apply in DahliaScarf, which is process perspective on employee motivation, behavioral approaches, and also transactional or transformational leadership. So let's discuss the first important theory, which is process perspective on employee motivation. Process perspective on employee motivation are ideas that explain how employee in DahliaScarf will motivate. These ideas includes creative goal setting. From this, employees are motivated by clear and challenging goals. Expectancy theories also will help employee to think like if we work hard leads good rewards, so they will also work harder. Lastly, equity theory, such as the employee work best when they feel they are treated fairly and equally. Secondly, behavioral approaches is organizational psychology are about watching and understanding how people act in their company to help the company perform better and reach their goals. There are 3 key themes in the approach, such as sales training program, reinforcement in sales and promotion and social learning. Thirdly, the most important leadership theory is transactional leadership. Transactional leadership at DahliaScarf help the business run smoothly by clear defining rules, setting expectation and rewarding employee based on their performance. There are some examples how transactional leadership may be used in DahliaScarf, such as task clarification in production, performance-based sales incentive, and regular feedback on individual and team performance. Last but not least, transformational leadership also we apply at DahliaScarf because to motivate employee to be their best, encourage new ideas, and sharing a common vision for our company's future, such as inspiration in brand version, growth plan, and building trust on our business. That's all from me. Now I pass to my friend to talk about the last management function, which is controlling.
So we have included controlling in our management process of this business. Our main goal here is to keep our business operate smoothly, as controlling is a primary goal oriented. We perform a process of comparing the real performance with the set standards of our business. Thus, this controlling management act is performed at all levels of the management. We have high levels, medium levels, and low levels. Controlling also can be used to gain feedbacks from our employees. By using this approach, employees get to share their insights on work procedures. For example, our employees report about poor work procedures on producing our products. This helps us notice the problem and make improvements for a better work procedure. Internal control is about how people control themselves without guidance. Our employees will be given the responsibility to take care of the final products that were produced, and they must achieve the criteria that has been set. On the other hand, the facilities and all the resources will be provided by our managers. Our employees will make their own decision to release the products, but the product results from their actions must be held accountable by them. Auditors are being used for their audit work in DahliaScarf Enterprise. They are being used to take part of accounting and keep record of our procedures, practice, and policies. Next, we have also put in an organizational policy in DahliaScarf Enterprise. For example, putting social media and communication policy for the use of social media by employees to promote the DahliaScarf Enterprise. So, it will maintain a positive brand image. Last but not least, we are using the external control to supervise our employees that carries each of their activity. The managers of DahliaScarf Enterprise will take control and do the supervision for our workers to keep all activities run smooth and thus not distorted. They will be providing recommended corrective actions when it is required. Hence, variation rules will be set to ensure safety, order, and harmony operations by DahliaScarf Enterprise.
In conclusion, DahliaScarf is a partnership business owned by savvy individuals that specializing in bawal and shawl. They focuses on comfort and style through printed and plain design. The organizational chart outlines key roles such as the owner, marketing manager, financial manager, and employees. This structure supports effective management, communication, and decision-making within the organization. The company's significance on creativity, customer loyalty, and efficient organizational administration is reflected in its culture. The management team utilizes various leadership styles to motivate employees and achieve organizational goals. Overall, DahliaScarf Enterprise aims to thrive in the hijab fashion industry by staying true to its own values, embracing innovations, and creating positive, inclusive organizational culture. Through effective planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, the company can become noticeable and successful in the market.